We officially have a new leader in the Jufka Patrol.
It's unbelievable!
Jufka Patrol continues the hunt for the best Jufka in Slovenia. And today we're in Koper at fast food Primorska. The first thing that caught my eye was the meat. It's definitely different from all the other places I've tried. I went for the chicken Jufka, priced at €7. A nice little bonus. They actually offer pickles as an extra topping. And here it is, the Jufka. Just look at it.
Ah, sweet!
It doesn't even look like your regular one anymore, right? It's medium-sized, but the flavor, wow. The chicken is delicious and truly stands out from the rest. It's not dry at all, and the sour pickles make a huge difference. This is without a doubt my new favorite. My rating for fast food Primorska, 9.6.
Hey!